Hey Tim, can I see my scores?
Hey Bill. Sure man, let me just pull up the spreadsheet real quick.
Awesome. Maybe not. Can I see my contracts?
What contracts?
You know, because we're doing a modified dynasty where our players have contracts to better simulate a real league. Duh.
Oh, right, those contracts. Let me just switch tabs here.
There has to be a better way to do this.
There is.
Richard from Contrax!
An app called Contrax that allows you to manage your league like you're a professional with all the support and statistics you'd ever need.
How did he get in our house?
Who am I kidding? You guys aren't even listening anyway. Here's an animation for you guys.
Managing a fantasy football league can be difficult and messy. From confusing group chats, long spreadsheets, disorganized calendars, and more spreadsheets. Not with Contrax. That comes with extensive user statistics, draft tables, league overviews, waiver wires, player trades, and much more.
We've all heard the statistic 90% of startups fail within their first 5 years. But what you might not know is that most startups don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because they don't take the necessary steps to ensure success. CodeSwtch Capital 360 is a web-based assessment tool designed for startups to address just that. Here's how. During the assessment, you'll be asked a series of questions aimed at measuring your startup's resources, or capital, across 5 key dimensions grounded in real scientific research: financial, social, cultural, intellectual, and techno. Your assessment results are then used to provide you with feedback, valuable insights, and an actionable roadmap, all tailored for you and your venture. Offering solutions at both the individual and organizational level, your whole team can reap the benefits that CodeSwtch Capital 360 has to offer. For early stage and under-resourced startups, this is a game changer. Individual founders are finally given a chance to clearly see their strengths and blind spots, while entrepreneurial support organizations are provided with helpful data to guide ventures more effectively. In building this platform, our team shares the belief that every founder deserves a chance at beating the odds, and that all starts with having the right tools at their disposal. So what are you waiting for? With the CodeSwtch Capital 360 assessment platform, you can fast-track your business towards real, sustainable growth.
Ever go through surveys where you have to answer these multiple choice questions, yes, no, disagree, strongly disagree, and you just go through chugging along, picking random answers, and then you come across these short responses that you don't want to answer, so you just put NA on them.
Non-applicable, non-applicable.
Now introducing an engaging way to fill out surveys, benefiting both the researcher and the survey taker. You are able to chat with an AI chatbot, which makes the survey feel more personalized and conversational. Augmented Web Surveys 2026. Sign up now.
Rochester Royals, a local gaming and charity fundraising organization, wondered what their community would draw if they all shared only one brush. In 2014, Twitch Plays Pokemon let over 1 million people fight for control of a single game of Pokemon. In 2022, Reddit r/place let over 10 million users contribute to the same shared canvas, each with their own brush. With Twitch Plays Pokemon's chat command participation and r/place's single canvas, our project takes shape. What beauty or horror would they create? Rochester Royals combines both of these ideas to create the world's first multi-headed artist. Thousands of users all over the world control one brush on stream. Their goal? Raise money for charity. Just as the Rochester Royals community comes together to give back for charity, their work is given back to their supporters as physical stickers.
Man, I wonder why my trail hasn't had many hikers in this past week. Oh, that's why.
Cognitive work analysis, referred to as CWA, is a framework used to understand how complex work systems function. It helps experts analyze work environments and decision-making to design safer, more effective systems.
Unfortunately, CWA is hard. It requires extensive document review, interviews, and careful creation of detailed artifacts.
What if there was a better way? Introducing the Cognitive Work Analysis Software Tool, or QWAS.
QWAS allows users to upload documents that describe the work domain and automatically generates structured artifacts that are associated with CWA. It uses a large language model to provide a starting point, but the analyst is in complete control of the final result.
QWAS aims to put CWA into the hands of domain experts, cutting down on the amount of interviews needed to be done by the analyst. This enables a faster workflow, better support, and improved accessibility.
The overall goal of QWAS is to make cognitive work analysis easy enough for more analysts to put it to use in their workplaces.